Wash all vegetables, coriander leaves, tomatoes, onions, potatoes, green chilies, garlic, ginger thoroughly before using. Place the rice in a bowl and fill it with cold water. Swirl the rice gently with your hand, then carefully pour out the cloudy water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times until the water remains clear. This helps remove excess starch for better textured rice. Submerge the rice in fresh water and let it soak for a duration of 2 hours. Heat the oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion and cook until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Incorporate 1 glass of water. Introduce tomato puree into the mixture. Add the garlic and ginger and cook for 1 minute more. 4. Add the turmeric, coriander, cumin, garam masala, salt, and pepper and cook for 1 minute more. Drain the chickpeas and rinse them well. 2. The chickpeas to the pan, combining them with the rest of the ingredients. Introduce dried plums, a la bukhara, into the pan, incorporating them with the other components. Add 3 cups of water and bring to a boil. Add the rice and stir to combine. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 20 minutes, or until the chickpeas are tender. Bring to a boil again, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes, or until the rice is cooked through. Garnish with cilantro. Remove from the heat and let stand for 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Using a spoon, gently create shallow depressions across the rice surface in the pan. Then, thoughtfully drape a thick fabric. Place a weighty object on top of the lid, aiding in the even cooking process. Set the stove to a medium flame, allowing the pan to cook undisturbed for the next 15 minutes. After the 15-minute interval, carefully uncover the pan. Now, with a soft touch, gently combine the rice, blending the layers you earlier created. The result is a harmonious mix of flavors and textures, an inviting dish ready to be savored and shared. Enjoy the aromatic and delightful creation you've brought to